Joy Gurudev. Today in Hanuman Chalisa we'll try and see three lines together. So first line says Sanakadi Brahmadi Munisa Narada Sarata Sahita Hisa. Second line says Yam Kuber Dikpal Jahante Kavi ko pit kahi sake kahante. It is showing the glory of Hanuman and the humility of Tulsidas. Tulsidas says that Sanak Adi, the seven rishis who are considered the most intelligent, even more intelligent than their creator Brahma. And Brahma Adi means the Trinity, Brahma and the other two of the Trinity. Munisha, the five main Munis, the heads of the Munis. Narad, the messenger of God, who can carry the message accurately, who knows how to deliver the message, what to say when. Sarada, Sharda, goddess Sharda, Saraswati, the goddess of intellect and speech, she herself cannot describe. Ahisa, the snake with 1,000 hooves. If he says one word, then 1,000 words will come out. Ahisa. Yam Kuber Dikpal Jahante, the deity of death. Who knows better than what death knows? Deity of death is very well known for his knowledge. We will discuss Katho Upanishad and we will start discussing all this wisdom after some time. Yam Kuber, Kuber the treasurer of God. If he cannot, then who can describe the totalness? He will give all the wealth to everyone and say, come on. Even he cannot do it with all his wealth. Dikpal, the doorkeepers of Almighty. Jahante, if they cannot sing your praise, who am I to sing your praise correctly? They cannot describe your greatness. Who am I? Yam Kuber Dikpal Jahante Kavi ko bit kahi sake kahante. The third line says, Tum mukar sugri vahi kina ram milay rajpat tinna. Rama's wife got stolen and he wanted a team to search for the wife. And while he was looking, he met Hanumanji. Hanumanji was thinking, who is this? Is this someone coming from, Bali, the king, to harm Sugriv? He was guarding Sugriv. But he said, I will not harm Bali. Bali was very powerful. Bali was a man who kept Ravan in his armpit for some time and he was going around and he forgot about it, that Ravan is in my armpit. Then he let him go. So he was one of the most powerful monkey king. So one day he went to fight a demon with his brother. He told his brother that you take care of that no one comes away and lock the cave if I am dead. So blood came rushing out of the cave and Sugriv thought it was Bali who is dead. So he locked the cave and he came home. He took Bali's wife as his wife and also his wife as his wife and he started ruling the kingdom of monkeys. After a few time, Bali came back and he was upset that my brother did this to me. And he beat the shit out of Bali, Sugriv, and asked him to go away and stole all his wife. He said, you took my wife, now I will take all your wives. So Sugriv said, you take your kingdom, it is your kingdom, but give me back my wife. All my wives, all the wives. So Bali said, no, you took my wives, now you will not get your wives. I will keep them. So Hanumanji was looking for Rama from a long time. Someone told him that you will get a guru whose name will be Ram, who will give you enlightenment, because he will after getting knowledge from the sun, he wasn't able to get enlightenment and he was very much restless about it. So when Rama met him, he was overwhelmed. And Rama said, I want a team. So he said, there is a king of monkeys who has been thrown out from his kingdom. He wants to get his wife, and he needs help of a very powerful person. Can you help him? Then if you will help him, he will give you his whole monkey army to search for your wife. So Rama said, yes, I can help. And Sugriv said that my brother Bali is such a powerful king. He kept Raman in his armpit and he forgot about it. So if you can, cut off the 7 plants, or if you can, drill a hole in 7 huge trees which are in one straight line, only then you will be able to kill Bali. So Rama said, wait, I will show you. So the 7 trees were in one straight line, and Rama shot an arrow which could pierce all the 7 lines. Sugriv was convinced that he can kill Bali. So he said, let's have a fight with Bali. So Rama said, you fight with Bali. Bali is very powerful. I can't face him directly. So you fight Bali, and I will shoot an arrow to him. But the problem was Bali and Sugriv looked identical to each other. So Rama could not recognize who is Bali and who is Sugriv, so he did not shoot. And Sugriv got beaten very badly, and he came back and he said, why you have cheated with me? Rama said, see, I could not recognize. Next time you go with a garland in your neck. This is what I was telling you. Even enlightened people can make mistakes. You don't think that when you stop making mistakes you will be enlightened. And I will recognize you from the garland that you have worn. So he wore a garland, and he went and he again challenged Bali for a war, and Bali came for a war, and Rama shot Bali and killed him. So this is how Sugriv was, brought to Rama, and they had the same problem. Both their wives were stolen, and after that Sugriv helped Rama to find his wife, and Sugriv was then crowned king of the monkeys. So he took his monkeys and he went to search for Sita, and they fought a war with Raman, and they won the war and they brought back Sita. But Sugriv became the king because of Hanumanji. Hanumanji made him meet Rama. So in the maybe next day when we are discussing, we'll discussing this, the hidden meaning, the scientific meaning of this. Okay, so here we go. And if you have any questions, you can put up. Hari Om Tat Sat.